Hello everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to make G major 5. Alright. First, let's go to KineMaster. Let's go to KineMaster. And we tap create new. Exit the pay money. So we don't pay money. And then press movies.
What?
And then press Samsung logo balls. Press OK. If the editor may cause an error, twice. And then press effect, and then find color inversion. Find color inversion. Press color inversion. Press arrow to, and then we tap on the settings here, and then do invert red, and then press overlay, press movies, press Samsung logo balls, and then get this out of here, and then press sound, and then press pitch. Let's put it to 4. Thank you, Mom. No, it's 5. Put it to 4. Press arrow. Let's press the pause and play button. Oops, that's the wrong one. 4+. Alright. Let's watch it. And then we're all done! And guys, you can't press the save button unless you pay money, okay, guys? Thanks for watching. Bye!